Hello. So my name is Heather Shabak. Today's date is 7/31/2021. And this is for Micro 225. And so we're gonna go ahead and get going on our next lab. So right now I'll go ahead and explain what I'm gonna do, which of course I already wiped the table down, donned all of my PPE, and I have my alcohol, which is what my loop was in. Well, loops, I have multiple, of course. And then I have my peroxide with my pipette in it as well. I have my plates here, and we're gonna go ahead and get going on my colonies. So I'll go ahead and start with my E. coli. So I wanted my loop to dry, so I made sure that I aired it out a little bit before I went ahead and stuck my loop inside of my agar plate. So I'm going to go ahead and just there, and then I'm going to grab my next loop. I'm going to air this out as well. And then I'm going to grab my S. epidermidis and go ahead and place that on my slide. So we can see if we can get something here. All right, so now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and grab my pipette with my peroxide, and I'm going to place 1 drop on each. One drop on my E. coli, 1 drop on my S. epidermidis, so I definitely see oh, can I even open this? I definitely see bubbles forming. Oh, can you just, thank you. I see the bubbles forming on my S. epidermidis. Let me double check, because I think that they're starting to form on my E. coli. Yeah. So the absence of bubbles is going to mean that it's a negative test. Oxygenation or the bubbles is going to mean that it's a positive test. So this one definitely started forming. This one took a little longer, my E. coli, to form, but my S. epidermidis immediately had bubbles. There's still bubbles now, but they started to kind of diminish. My E. coli is definitely forming more. I took a picture already, so I'll go ahead and get this uploaded. Go ahead and clean up my area.